You guys will not believe the hype around this Mog tape right here. And honestly, I thought it was full of crap too, but I've been using it for 4 days already, and I already noticed improvements in my jawline, and it stayed on the entire night. For some reason, people think this thing is dangerous, but you can actually breathe right through it. And if you snore or anyone in your family snores and it's super annoying, you're going to need to get this. Once you apply it to your mouth, it literally makes you breathe through your nose so you do not snore. I can't believe they're overpricing these things for $30, so I found a link on TikTok that drops it down to only $11 for a 1-month supply. If you guys are interested, the link's right here.